Hello. STEM is the integration of science, technology, engineering, and math. When it comes to technology engineering classes that we have down here, we actually take the science and the math and apply it in a hands-on type of setting. It's more about actually applying those concepts, but also building with them and being able to learn to work with your hands to be able to apply the process.
What we try to do is, we do have smartphones like everybody else in the world, right? One's sitting right there on our lap, right? Can we Google it? Sure we can. Do they have conversion charts online? Sure they do. But what happens to a lot of our technology, like our phones? What happens if you leave your phone on too long? It dies. What good is it to you if it's not working? Okay? You can't Google nothing. It's not working, can you?
Because we had an earthquake, what happens to the building that I know? It's compromised. That's what we're called. When there's an incident that happens and it overwhelms the local resources. Either an earthquake, a flood, hurricane, tornado, large geographic events.
I'm Austin Daniels reporting live at the fair here for geometry with Mr. Tom Guffline. So what is this exactly?
Basically, it's a math related to public safety day that the math teachers here at Mount Hope High School approached the Rhode Island Emergency Management Agency, who kind of manages all the different teams that are here today during a disaster. So they came to us about how we can connect math to that. So we brought these people in, and math is a big part of their daily life when they're dealing with a big incident. So we have everyone represented from state, local, volunteer. The USAR team's a volunteer team that does urban search and rescue. You have Mr. John Roberts here from the Coast Guard on the federal side showing us about search patterns and how geometry relates to that. So it's connecting a different world. You take it out of the classroom and show how these people apply it every day.
How do you think the students reacted to this?
I think some of them are going to get a kick out of it because they're going to be able to see how it applies to real life and maybe give them an idea what they want to do after they leave high school, whether they want to go take a trade or go on to college and do more with it. A lot of the people here are very well educated in what they do, and some of the people are right out of high school, went to a trade, and they use the trade in the like building and saving people in a collapsed building, which is important too. So hopefully that'll make that connection. If not, I'm sure there's a lot of fun out there. So
Okay, thank you. I'm here with Pierce Adams. Pierce, what was your favorite part of the day today?
I thought it was really interesting to learn about how math applies in real life situations. A lot of times in class, they don't really tell us why this stuff is important. So I think it was pretty cool to learn that we're actually using the stuff we're learning in class in our fields and in real life stuff.
What have you learned today?
I learned that triangles are really important, that they're a strong shape, and that they basically use that mostly to lift objects and rescue people out of buildings. So
What was your favorite station here today?
My favorite station was the station right behind us. We got to go in the truck, and they told us a lot about the Coast Guard and rescue and search missions they did, and I thought that was pretty cool to learn about that.
Thank you.
I'm Nick Chavez from Mount Hope High School reporting on our STEM program. For the last 4 years, Mount Hope has implemented the Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics program, STEM. I was able to hook up with Mr. Lima, the department head of STEM, and ask him a few questions. First, I asked, what is the purpose of STEM? He said the purpose of STEM is to educate all Mount Hope students on science, technology, engineering, and math. I also got to ask him, what does STEM do for the student? He responded by saying that STEM is a connection between what the students are learning in class and what they will do in the real world with careers and job applications. He went on to say that the STEM program has made great strides over the past 2 years and hopes to keep making strides every single year. The STEM program from Mount Hope is working on bringing back some of the building courses that we had and would also like to partner up with the business department to manufacture, make, and even sell some of the items made by Mount Hope's own students. Thank you. Have a great day.